Christian Duke for exploringkentucky.com here at the Louisville Nature Center. I am on the White Oak Trail, which is about 1.5 miles according to the signs. And this is just absolutely beautiful. Lots of little birds and squirrels. If you're ever in the area, be sure to stop on by the Louisville Nature Center. The folks here are super nice. The White Oak Trail is 1.5 miles each way. It's absolutely beautiful. You must check it out right here in Louisville, Jefferson County, Kentucky.